Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna see how to change your location on your Roblox account. First step you need to do is to open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Log into your Roblox account, then tap the menu icon located on the bottom navigation bar. It looks like three dots. Navigate to Settings, then Account Info, then Personal. Find the Account Location section, then tap on the drop-down box. Select the new country you want to switch to, then scroll down and tap Save to confirm and apply the changes. Just a tip, make sure all your personal details match the new country settings to avoid issues with payments or age-restricted content. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.